Live work situations occur whenever we work within the safe approach distance of live low voltage exposed conductors, including touching the conductors. This is what we mean whenever we use the phrase on or near. The control measures required for live work situations must be understood by all network workers because they apply whenever you are not working on isolated circuits. Quite simply, if you have not signed on to an access authority for the network apparatus you're working on or near to, you must apply live work controls, even if you're just working near the equipment and not intending to work on it directly. Some live tasks, such as testing to prove de-energized or check phasing, fault finding or applying test equipment, operating switchgear, and making or breaking customer service connections, are an integral part of the work of competent authorised electrical trade workers. They still require workers to use appropriate live work control measures though to avoid electric shock or burn injuries. The modification or replacement of energised components, the moving of conductors, and the installation or removal of conductors from live low voltage enclosures are higher risk tasks, and workers require additional live low voltage work authorisation to perform this type of work. Regardless of the authorisation of the workers, there are some live work tasks not permitted on the Endeavour network. On overhead bare multi-phase arrangements, live work on the top circuit or circuits of three-way, four-way, twin circuit or triple circuit constructions is not permitted, except for the installation or removal of bonding conductors or service connections. In the underground environment, live cable jointing involving straight through or branch joints is not allowed. Any work that disturbs live contact cable, including making or breaking connections, is also banned due to the risk of flashover. Also, making or breaking connections of paper lead cables is not allowed. Making or breaking ground-mounted transformer connections, either at the transformer bushing or the line side of the main isolator, is not permitted live because the lack of electrical protection means there is extremely high levels of arc flash energy available. For the same reason, working on current transformers on energised ground-mounted transformers which are fitted between the transformer bushings and the line side of the main isolator is not allowed. Finally, removal or replacement of Weber low voltage switchgear current transformers may only be carried out with the transformer, low voltage fuse strips and distributor connections all isolated. Regardless of these requirements, the final decision to work live or not will be made by the work party on site following completion of the pre-task hazard and risk assessment.